Okay, so here we are. See the sign behind me? Probably not, it's out of focus. This sign behind me has fascinated me for years. I've gone left of this sign, I've gone right of this sign, I've gone back towards the lake we just came from, but I've never gone past this sign. And so today, we're gonna find out what's past this sign. We made it to another fork in the road, and I think I'll go right today. I like to say that Idaho has 5 seasons. We have winter, spring, summer, fire, a little bit more summer, and then fall, and then winter again. And nowadays, it seems like as soon as July hits, we're covered in smoke. Like, here's a picture of Idaho's fire map right now. Look at this thing. We're just pretty much covered in fires. And not only do we have our own fires to deal with, we get the smoke from our neighboring states, California, Oregon, Washington, even Canada. So we just have constant smoke, it seems like, all the time. All right, what do we got going on today? It is still early. I have found the first lake. I know there are more back here. But for now, I'm going to just set up camp here. I think this is a good spot to set up camp. I'm going to eventually have to go back the way I came. Right now, I am trying out this new coffee contraption that I have. It's from this company, this Canadian company. I really don't know how to pronounce their name. It's VSSL, so Vissel? Or just VSSL, I'm not sure. It's this crazy, sophisticated pour-over method with like your own coffee mill to mill your beans. But I brought a local Boise coffee favorite of mine, Cafe Mule, and I whipped up some nice pour-over coffee, and I have to say, it is delicious. I'm gonna do a full video on the coffee situation in the backcountry and camping, because there's many different ways I've found to make coffee. Many of them have advantages and disadvantages, and I can already see some disadvantages with this, but damn, it is a good cup of coffee. I will give them that. All right, I'm gonna set up camp, finish my coffee, and then we'll get back to exploring. We found the second lake, no problem. This third lake looks to be in this basin somewhere. I hope it's close. We finally found this lake. I've been up, down, around it. The trail does not go exactly to the lake. Now I'm in the bottom of this basin and have to climb up out of it. So also, I don't know if you can see them right now, but there are the most annoying flies back here. And I have about 6 or 7 buzzing around my head at all times, smacking me in the ear or the eyeball. And I really don't appreciate them, so we're getting out of here. Back to the first lake. intentionally vague on where we are and where these lakes are, because I think it'd be fun for you to try to find them yourself. And as an extra clue, if you've made it to the end of this video, up here is a video where we go left of the sign we started at and right of the sign, and it'll give you more information on the area. So if you want to try to find them for yourself, you can check out this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.